What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Make sure to leave a like as well. Let's get started. On the screen here, I have a list of all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using for this delicious dry rub. And all we're gonna do is just well combine these ingredients, get them all mixed up, ready to season up that chicken to perfection, guys. Here I have about 4 pounds of chicken wings, and all I'm gonna do is just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top and then mix them together. This is so that our dry rub sticks to the chicken. We want that chicken to be well coated, so it's absolutely necessary just to drizzle a little bit of oil so that chicken, sticks to that dry rub. And guys, I'm super curious. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like drums or do you like flats? Let me know. I'm very curious. Me, I love flats. Gotta have all flats when I'm eating wings. So here I have my dry rub, and I'm just sprinkling a little bit of on top at a time, tossing them up, and I'm kind of gonna repeat that process until we have all that dry rub on the chicken, and then our chicken looks well coated, ready to get inside that air fryer, guys. And guys, if your chicken ain't looking like this, you done did something wrong. You need to start over, because it need to be well coated just as it appears on the screen. We is not going to be stingy with the seasoning. We're going to go all out. We're going to get all that seasoning on the chicken, guys. You want that thing to be super flavorful, so you gotta be very generous with that seasoning. Don't be scared, guys. All right, I'm gonna be using this particular air fryer. It's a Corsi, really good. I like it, I love it. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to get one for yourself. Don't forget to use a non-stick spray in your air fryer so your chicken doesn't stick. And all I'm gonna do is just load the chicken all up in that air fryer so that we can get these bad boys cooking. And also, yes, this recipe will work in a traditional oven. You can put your oven at 400 degrees, slap the chicken on a wire rack and leave it in there for about 25 to 30 minutes in a traditional oven. For our air fryer, we're using the preset settings for chicken, which is 380 degrees for 25 minutes. And halfway through that cooking process, I want to open that thing up. I want to toss the chicken around, get them kind of moving around so we can cook them all really evenly. That's very important as well. Halfway through the cooking process, we got to mix them up. In 25 minutes, this is what you get, guys. You get some crispy, delicious, juicy, flavorful fried chicken wings. Not regular fried, air fried chicken wings. A lot better for you, a lot less grease. So good, so tasty. Your whole family will absolutely love this dish. I love me some chicken wings. I don't know a soul besides a vegetarian who don't love chicken wings. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys try it. Leave a like. I'll see you on the next one.